my third grade friends? It is time for you to use all that you've learned in those practice frogs that we've been drawing to make a a cover for your book that you're writing about frogs. Now, this is a nonfiction book. You've been writing it in your class with your little mini essays about the 3 different types of frogs: the Amazon horned frog, the glass frog, and the water-holding frog. So since these are going to be great essays, they deserve a great cover. A cover does a couple of things. It helps protect the book in case it falls or gets dirty, and it also makes it eye-catching so that people want to pick it up and read it, and so that they know what it's about. Now, I have here one of the books I've illustrated, A Hot Dog Christmas, and it has a great example of a front and back cover. The front cover has a title, it has a big picture, and it has the names of the people who made the book, the author and the illustrator. Now remember, the author writes the words, and the illustrator imagines the words by drawing the pictures. Author writes, illustrator imagines, draws the pictures. So our front cover for your project is similarly going to have a title, a main picture of your 3 frogs, and your name. Now, the back of the book, you'll notice it has a small picture. It has a summary of the book, a blurb, or some interesting information that'll make people want to read it. And that's it. You don't need to include these other things in yours. Just the picture, the little picture, and the blurb, or a summary. Blurb is a great word. So yours will have a little picture and a blurb. Now let's talk about what kind of pictures your teachers and I are expecting you to do. In this front cover, you need to have the title of your book, and then right in the middle, you're going to have a picture of all 3 frogs. Yours is going to look better than mine because of a couple reasons. Number 1, I drew very fast, and you're going to take your time. But I have here my 3 frogs. I've got the Amazon horned frog, holding the water-holding frog, and the glass frog. I can tell they are those 3 frogs because the horned frog has its angry horns, the glass frog is kind of see-through, and the water-holding frog is round. And you can put them in any order you want. You can decide which one is in the middle. And your name is going to go at the bottom. Yours is also going to look better than mine because yours is going to be in color with detail. And I'm going to ask you to color very neatly and carefully because this is a high quality project. Just like those bookmarks that we made for the 2nd graders, this is something you want to take your time on and be proud of. Now the back cover, you're going to have a lot more freedom. The little picture, you get to choose. You can draw the frog's prey, you can draw the frog's predator, or you can draw the frog as a tadpole. As a quick reminder, the frog's prey is something that the frog hunts and eats. So I drew a prey. I drew a little ant. Maybe you want to draw the frog's predator. A predator is something else that hunts and eats the frog. A lot of my students have mentioned birds, so I'm going to draw here really quick a small picture of a bird that might eat a frog. Okay, so I've got a small picture of a bird. The last option is a tadpole. A tadpole is a little baby frog. And tadpoles are very different than frogs because, unlike frogs, they don't have arms, legs, but they do have a tail. So you get to pick any of those 3 for your back cover. And I'm not going to give you videos on how to draw the prey, the predator, the tadpole. However, if you want to look them up, if you have a specific bug or little frog or bird or lizard or any other animal that you really want to make look good, There's lots of cool pictures on the internet that you can find, videos on YouTube, other artists and art teachers who can show you how to draw those things. There's just so many options. I can't make all the videos. So, have fun, be creative, take your time. This is a good project and we want to make sure it looks nice. So I'm excited to see what yours look like. Bye-bye.